Alright, now Madam Pep is down gidigba like this, and I dey tell you say that money wey you save inside bank wey lie down there just dey waste, because bank no go give you profit inside, rather dem go dey deduct am make you carry am come invest into lands and properties. And New Banana Highland is one good investment that I can give you assurance for. Yes, because if you buy, for instance, 2, 3 or 4 plots of New Banana Highland, depending on the amount you have, you will get a good return on investment if you give it 2, 3, 4, 5 years or 10 years. If you are conversant with Port-Harcourt very well, if you know Odili Road, just around 10 years ago, Odili Road was going for 6 million naira. Today, the least you can get a plot in Odili Road is 40 million naira. Are you getting it now? So now New Banana Island is situated in a good place that is even more valuable than Odili Road in the nearest future. Secure the future of your children by investing in one of our properties, and I will recommend New Banana Island for you. And for you to get a plot in New Banana Island, all you need to do is to call me on 090-3429-6519. Come collect your plot from New Banana Island if you call me. It's a good investment, I'm assuring you. Okay? In fact, it's risk-free because you are dealing with Mercy Divine Properties that is trusted and tested. So, and they wait for you. You know what it's supposed to, and to just carry your number. You see this one. Once you call us, we will pick up for office. We'll just ring hello, and I'll say yes. This is Madam Peko Africa. You come for inspection, and after inspection, I will give you your documents once your payment is confirmed. You understand that? So, and they wait for you, all right? And the number to always call is 0903-429-6519. Cha-cha. Bye.